Thursday's precise and important news. The affairs of more than 100 projects are underway in Uruzgan. The local officials of Uruzgan say that currently the affairs of more than 100 projects worth 900 million Afghanis are underway in the said province. 18 more children with heart disease introduced to Basit Hospital. Afghan Red Crescent Society has introduced 18 more children suffering from cardiovascular septal defect to Basit Hospital for therapy and surgery in Kabul. It's commendable that in the last 8 months, Afghan Red Crescent Society has referred 746 children suffering from cardiovascular septal defect to different hospitals in the capital. Deputy of Information and Culture met with Laghman's governor. Ministry of Information and Culture says that the Deputy Minister of the Youth Affairs of the Ministry of Information and Culture, Muhammad Yunus Rashid, met with the governor of Laghman province. Director of ANSA participated in the tree plantation program. The acting Director General of Afghanistan National Standards Authority participated in the tree plantation program in this agency. In this program, he also mentioned the extensive efforts and programs of the National Standards Authority in the field of public health protection. 4 people arrested for various crimes in Kabul. Kabul Police Headquarters says that the officials of Police District 8 arrested 4 people for various crimes. It adds that 2 of the criminals were arrested on charges of murder and 2 others were arrested on charges of moral corruption. A commercial market for women has been opened. Mazari Sharif Mayor says in order to provide workspace for women, they opened a commercial market called Khadijatul Kubra in the center of Balkh. This market has 200 shops where women meet their family expenses by selling handicrafts and other goods. Farah Revenue Department has collected 467 million Afghanis in revenue. Director of Farah Revenue Department says, from the beginning until now of this fiscal year, it has collected 467 million Afghanis, which shows 25% increment compared to the past. Creation of complete transparency in affairs has been shown to be reason for increase in revenue.